We're going to begin with the preemptive strike. In order to understand the preemptive strike and to be able to deliver it effectively, we need to understand the concept of protecting your personal space. Once we understand how to protect our personal space, we know when it's going to be legally, morally, ethically correct to deliver a preemptive strike. It's also important to understand your personal space so that you can deliver your preemptive strike efficiently. There's no point in preemptively striking someone too early for obvious reasons on a legal perspective, and if it's too late, tactically, it's not going to be very good for you either. So, the first drill that we're going to do is controlling an aggressive or deceptive person. In this instance, Nicole is going to act as the defender, the person who will be using their protective boundary, what Jeff Thompson referred to as the fence, and I am going to play the role of the aggressor, the person who is a potential threat. In this instance, I'm not going to breach his boundary. The idea of the test, of the exercise here, is for Nicole to keep his space, but not enter into mine and not to back out of the area that he's trying to protect. Okay. You ready, Nicole? Okay. Come on then, you and me now. Come on then. Come on then. Come on, what are you looking at? Fucking looking at. Come on, now, come on. Come on then, don't tell me to fucking chill out. Come on, what do you put your hands up for? What do you fucking put your hands up now? Don't fucking tell me now. Come on, now, here, now. Come on. Okay, I'll tell you, mate. Shake your hand. All right, shake your hand, mate. Come on, shake your hand. Right. Oh, come on, what's wrong with you? Just shake your hand. Okay, so there are two examples of aggression and deception. Very crude, classic example, something that you can easily replicate when you're training yourself, on your own with a willing partner. This is what we call role play. Now, the importance of the exercise is for me not to go into the area, otherwise Nicole's going to do the preemptive strike. Okay, so it's very important when we're drilling this, when you're taking this back home, to understand that concept.